We'll guide you through how to use OBS to record your screen and audio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. OBS is a great screen recording tool. We'll guide you through how you can use it. Go over to the right in Controls and press Settings. In here, you need to go over to the left and go and press Output. Set the mode to Simple and come to Recording. Choose the path, that's where it will be saved. Recording quality, high quality medium file size is good. For the format, MP4 is the most compatible. For the encoder, if possible, you can go and use NVENC if you have an NVIDIA card. Otherwise, you can go and use software or another hardware encoder you may have on your GPU. Then what you can do is go and press Apply in the bottom right. Go to the left and press Audio. In here, you can go and choose your desktop audio, choose your mic, make sure you select the right one, press Apply in the bottom right. Come to the left and press Video. For the base canvas resolution, most people will be using 1920 by 1080. That's a usual quality. And then what you can do for the output is go and set that to be the same as well. Press OK to close the settings. In Sources, press the plus and you can press Display Capture, press OK, and you can then go and choose your display here. You can then go and press OK and there it is. You can go and resize it by using the corner points. You can then come into Audio Mixer and adjust your desktop audio and mic levels. When you're ready, you can press Start Recording and that's it, you're recording.